Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com. Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry with the phone number is 8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the two QR codes on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Hồng Nguyễn. She's a personal financial advisor. You can contact her with the email home.win@vcsc.com.vn with the phone number is 8491-432-6556. And we always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trường Đại Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And today we're gonna update you about FPT. FPT Corp is a technology and telecom conglomerate with the leading position in technology services and a top 3 market share in Vietnam's fixed broadband internet markets. Driven by its globalization strategy, FPT's global IT revenue CAGR achieved 21% over the last 3 financial years. And this is the analyst meeting note, which is corrected by Viet Capital Security about FPT Corp on the 23rd February 2023, where the current price is 81,400 Vietnam dong. Target price 109,600 Vietnam dong. Upside more than 34.6%. Dividend yield more than 2.9%. TSR more than 37.6%. Rating by management eyes rapid growth across segments. We attended FPT's online analyst meeting on the 23rd February, which discussed the company's 2023 business outlook and other topics surrounding its core businesses. Our key takeaways from the meeting reinforce our positive view about FPT's business prospects and are broadly in line with our expectations. 2023 guidance. Management maintains positive about FPT's profitability despite expectations for a gloomy economic backdrop, both domestically and globally in 2023. 2. Technology. Per management, rapidly rising digital transformation, demand and M&A activities should fuel 25% year-over-year growth. Software outsourcing revenue growth in 2023. FPT's new contract value surged 30% year-over-year in 2 months 2022, per management's estimates. Management targets FPT's digital transformation revenue to surge more than 35% and account for 43% to 44% of total software outsourcing revenue in 2023, which will be spearheaded by new technologies such as cloud, AI, and big data analytics, and robotic process automation. Moreover, the company believes M&A investment should be a priority for its global growth strategy this year, including the recently announced acquisition of US IT service company Intertech. FPT anticipates strong double-digit revenue growth across its software outsourcing markets, including a 20% year-over-year rebound in Japan. FPT expects revenue growth in the Japanese markets to accelerate to 20% year-over-year in 2023 from 16% year-over-year in 2022 in the context of an expected stable JPY per Vietnam dong exchange rate. Management also targets FPT's labor cost efficiency in Japan to advance 10% to 15% year-over-year in 2023 compared to 5% year-over-year in 2022, as last year was significantly impacted by the JPY volatility. The company will continue to follow a full exposure hedging strategy for its JPY income this year. For the US market, FPT expects its lower service price offering than peers to remain the key competitive advantage while there is weak demand. Meanwhile, FPT is accelerating the open of delivery centers in the Europe to enhance its presence and achieve steady 20% year-over-year revenue growth in 2023. Vietnam's economic uncertainties pose challenges for FPT's domestic IT business. FPT has been in discussions and or signed digital transformation projects with 25 cities and provinces nationwide. The company also maintains a positive view about the acceleration of public IT budget disbursement in 2024 to 2025. However, management expects to face difficulties in the private sector due to cuts in corporate spending amid economic headwinds. 3. Telecom. Management maintains its target to develop a data-driven and customer-centric telecom ecosystem. The long-term growth driver of FPT's telecom segment continues to be the development of an infrastructure and technology ecosystem that meets end users' needs. Furthermore, FPT aims to expand the pay TV and data center businesses, which are the key revenue drivers of the telecom services segment. For education, FPT sets aggressive expansion plans to achieve sustainable revenue growth of 30% PA growth going forward. In 2022, FPT worked with many cities and provinces to establish new universities and K-12 schools. Management expects FPT's K-12 school in Hanam to start operating at the end of 2023. FPT's total number of students grew 50% year-over-year in 2022 and surpassed the mega milestone of over 100,000 full-time equivalent students, which was bolstered by strong demand for private education in Vietnam. Yeah, and that brings me to the end of my update about FPT today. So if you want to open a legal trading account, don't hesitate to contact with us with the information on the screen so that we can assist you. So hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you for your listening and see you next time.